The Munro Climate Change Leaders Fund returned negative 11.8% in the June quarter. The first half of 2022 has been the toughest start to any year since 1962, and the second quarter of 2022 remained difficult for global financial markets. With such a difficult backdrop, climate stocks were not immune to the drawdowns. Given our focus on investing in the enablers of decarbonisation, we generally expect this fund to invest more capital into industrials, utilities and materials sectors, as these are the companies that make and build things across our sub-areas of interest and their value chains. The result is a higher expected skew to more cyclical sectors within the fund relative to the broader market. Accordingly, we expect this fund to have higher cyclicality than other Munro funds and the market. From a stock attribution perspective, the largest attractors for the quarter were precision farming companies Nutrien and Deere, as well as Tesla. Better performing stocks in the quarter included waste management, as well as some of the clean energy companies, including NextEra Energy. However, it remains a difficult environment. Bear markets are typically short, sharp and painful. We remain watchful of the following market signposts to indicate an end to this bear market. Firstly, we would like to see stabilisation or peak in long-term bond yields. In our view, bond yields can only go up so much as there is simply too much debt in the world today. We anticipate that the US 10-year yield will find it difficult to go materially past 3%. Secondly, we're looking for stocks that have attractive valuation multiples. Valuation multiples have derated significantly since the start of the year. Should long-term interest rates stop rising in a material way, we would expect to see an end to multiple compression. We think we are close to the bottom of the derating process. Thirdly, we are looking for earnings expectations reset. We believe earnings for the market as a whole need to be revised downwards significantly as economic growth slows. We would like to see earnings expectations reset to give investors a clearer path forward for the market. The final signpost for us is simply time. The average bear market typically lasts just under 300 days and falls 37% on average. Experience tells us to be patient in this environment and respect the history of previous down cycles. We remain optimistic about the medium to long-term outlook for climate companies. While the environment is tough in the short term, within the sector there are some excellent resilient businesses that are well placed to benefit from the transition to decarbonisation.